Martin uDudu kuSanidube. Ebhalwe Mqondili uNkathazo. Umbhali wayo uThabane Jimadoda.
Ndifunde kwendibale ukuba kukho into abayikhaya ukuba ndifunde ukuba cha iyakwazi uba abe nento ayifumana incwadi. Wayifunda laa nto mhlawumbi nathi njengomasifandala sizifumananga nadalani labantwana bayinathi bafumene ngayo ukuthi xa ufunda incwadi yazi uba iyakutshintsha kwawena.
So thina as Women Authors Forum sithi-ke asiyikhandeleni awethu ama-peer editors, asiyifake siveze njengoba sinikeze yona, sishaye you can't font usho yena yenza uyazibona zonke into wrong mara iprintiwe.
Ungavumi ukhathala endleleni. When it comes to editing, you write and then you read on your own. Ungakanikezi omunye umuntu, right?
Ndingakwazi ukuba noba uziqansa ukuba uthi xa ukhona mhlawumbi itheko uthi woyina so uzibona intoba ndingakwazi ukubonga, ndingakwazi ukubhala ubomi.
Ngiya-emphasize konke ngizobe ngikhuluma ukuthathe because it's part of the workshop. Mangichaza ngami ngichaza nangincwadi yami enhle nebhalwe kahle ene-font sharp, everything ye-qualifier ene-ISBN. So yeah, they helped me a lot and they're still continuing to help me ey'ntweni engizenzayo. Akukuningi nje wangishiya ukuthi sikuzele la ikona lokho sizofaka lento. Last time we were here sabona ukuthi ayifakekanga kahle lento because ama-authors are not authoring, the writers are not writing. Andazi kanjani. I thought sizoqala sibheke khona la ku-WhatsApp. Yo, ama-authors are not authoring, are not happening. Ama-authors, the aspiring writers, they're not even trying ukubhala nje indatshana nje ama-sentence noma u-2 ekuseni besifundisa it's Heritage Month. I thought it's Women's Month. I thought Eastern Cape bazasixelela into yobana zithini izinto happy few lines in the picture. I thought yabo while sikwi-group abakwi-group that's gonna happen, it didn't. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi umoya esobuya nawo namhlanje lo ukuthi oresophinde siphume nawo ilo ukuthi siyacela ningalindi umuntu. This is our space and we have to utilize it. Don't wait for anybody ukuthi enze lento because the time uyikhuluma lento noma uyibhala, some of us are learning the language. Some of us ayazi ukuthi kwenzakalani manje Eastern Cape, yabona njengoba siseradweni nje, we need to know what's going on. Yabo kodwa konke lokho you try by ubhala mhlawumbe omunye wazi ilanguage kinina yobe sesho mhlawumbe kulo ibhale wena ngoba nathi sikhuluma isiZulu nje kodwa konke sesibhale kuthiwa yakushiwo njalo sisiyacorrectana. Okay, how ukuze abantu babe interested story sakho, yabo yindaba ubona ukuthi indlela obhale ngayo abantu bese be comment even kuma socials ubona lapho ukuthi ya nginelile lento ngayo asizukuma la sithi hey mawubhala yabona yaqonda thatha notes. No, it's either you record or you are taking ama notes. Sibofuna ukubona lapho uyakuthanda na ukubhala uyabhala yini because uma ungezothatha lutho ungezobhala lutho then it means space nesirongo rongo nyana. Umuntu uyakuthanda ukubhala nobhalayo uyambona. So ngizocela oyedwa la ekhaya asivulele mase siqedile ngeprayer nje, just a short prayer or uma ingathandazi song mangabe ngakhulumeki ngoba mengakwazi ukukhuluma kodwa ezwa at least kuzosenzisa le silent moment of silence, anything that will allow us ukuthi sikhululeke kulesi space sixoshe na yonke imoya engafunakali engadisturb ukuba smooth kweprogram yanamhlanje. So ngiyacela uzivayo ozivayo nje umuntu kaNkulunkulu nokholwayo ukuthi there's nothing that we can start singambizanga ungabonwayo noma oh nice zezwi lakho
Senkosi Yesu Kristu ekuseni Thixo wethu sizophakamisa udumo lwakho siqale ngokubulela mesolungileyo ngosibusile siza Thixo wethu ngosisikole iplans Thixo izethu kodwa usenogqoka ngendlela Nkosi sesilapha kuloyini xa sivula ke mesolungileyo simema wena ngoba ikhona nje into enokwenzeka ungekhona
yes Lord
sithi yehla ke loyini ube khona uhlale nathi kulembu ukuze yonke into esizoyenza apha Thixo leyo xa inawe siyazi uba izophumelela ukuthi nento besingayi-understand Thixo kodwa siphume apha ngoku siya-understand siphume ngaphandle siyonceda Thixo wethu
yes Lord
sonke umnyama sikholele ukuthi Thixo wethu sicela siyazi uzosenzela egameni lakwaFavuka uYesu Kristu waseNazaretha amen
amen
standing in front of you Mrs. Chinana ndiphakama ke ukwenza i-welcome masinamkele sibule Thixo ngani uyithwala endleleni yonke ngoba ningazi uba late sibule banifikile khululekani nawo umuntu oqhubeka kwakhona kule nhlangano today siyamwelcome khululekani nizive nisekhaya nikwenza umsebenzi kangangoko sishiye nolwazi lonke khona ukuze sikwazi ukufaka ubani siye phambili inkosi
thank you Hayke singajiva. Hayke. Isimnandi ke hayke. Kuthiwa ngikhululeke. Yasho yini? Shayelezi. Okay, thank you so much. Ngiyazizwa ukuthi ngisekhaya and now sicela ukubona kade bekhona the first time we met endwenwe. Sisenza lento yokuthi it's not gonna be me ozosho ukuthi sathetha ngantoni safike sathini bathina abantu bakwaZulu Natal befike la so you listen komunye nomnye xa isechilo ungayiphindi thethileyo
thank you last time sihlangene simotivated ngalento yokubhala sakhola ukuthi a story to tell. Then, literacy umkhulu kakhulu zibakona abantu zikhona writers to authors khona i-readers actually bakhona abafundi abafundi bamabali nokubhala amabali amafutshane afike
last time safunda kakhulu malunga noncwadi okubana in as much as into okubana sithanda ukufunda but we ourselves can be the authors ngakwazi ngobana sibhenga apha into lakumanayo malamini okubana if uyakwazi ngobana mhlawumbe mawubhale a whole paragraph on Facebook or on WhatsApp you can also create your own stories ephepheni and then lelo phepha li-enda phela intoni libe yincwadi ezawuenda apha ke into yobana ngifunde ngabanye abantu you can even monetize it zininzi indlela zokuzimonetize ke encwadini endazifunda ngalamini nendlela yobana ungayithengisa kanjani mhlawumbe ngoba le media lesiyisebenzisayo like YouTube, like WhatsApp, like Facebook, like nje ungathetha about incwadi yakho so that abantu bazoyithenga or bazoba interested ukubana mabayithini mabayibone okayifunda. Thank you.
Molweni igama lami ndingumona Thindabeni. Last time sesidibene into endayifunda kakhulu into yoba If you are actually a good storyteller, you can tell your story, record it, and you get someone who analysis because sometimes abantu get the writing block, but when it comes to telling a story, we are abantu bazobhalela lento wena uyithethayo uyigcingayo. And these stories they are not documented, and we actually need to tell more of our stories so that documentary and the next generation can actually read about the stories as in ours. Thank you.
Okay, no, asingaqedi. Singashaya baba ke ngakho. So, from the day we met up to now, iziphi izingqinamba enibhekene nazo? Because ngokuthi xwaka kwenu grouping, it means sine challenges ezithize. What and also too, what are your expectations today?
Thank you, Mama. I think our challenge, so what was from that day, but I just basically as much as teacher colleagues. You write everything if you get one, but really, the problem is that if we can have a structure here or an executive like having book clubs or something, so that's si motivatana, si lungisana, si trobisana chekajana. I am sure if we have a structure system so that meeting and the figure the one passes go for
Okay.
Okay, each challenge to be inspired. So the quietness of the group and even if it's a book I found delay or then I review where will be interested to go and get that book.
Okay. I couldn't remember as because okay,
you think there's someone better than you, there's someone that can say it better than you. Okay, since Tina says Varela in our script books, and we thought that someone that actually published the book and actually provisionally written a book, maybe online. So I think it's fair that this way to
the fear, we can say as Pastor Sicho,
okay.
Always being how part or Sikala and always be concern. So I was putting the if you do in the group. It's that fear, there's still editing. That's why the city, if Tina's got that's put up from now. So she because there is library also here in example in our then see as not everybody are for short stories, are for novels, for writing songs, all that. But if we can I promise.
Okay, what are your expectations, Namhlanje? What do you expect? Namhlanje must phumala sizoyithola sibonisana ifisa kwenza kalentoni.
Okay, from my side, the expectation ndiphume apha anyway sikwazi uqala how to write, how to sizibeka kanjani izimvo zethu, the structure and I'm trying to say the how part of it, because in M20 as Baba mentioned that everyone is having a story to tell, but our was we are journey, how to do it, characters, we share a journey, young and the I am having something.
Okay, can sit, thank you.
My expectation for today would be, we have 10 in a month, then into endibawela into yobana ndiyazi into yobana then ndithini ke ngoku afterwards, you know. That's what I'm expecting to find out.
So ibhalile
now
uthini?
that I have written incwadi, ingaba mhlambi is it enough for into yobana mayibe incwadi or mhlambi a short story, and then if ever mhlambi it's a short story okanye mhlambi it's a novel, then kufuneka ibe ngakanani ukuze ibe incwadi uba ibe iyapublishwa. That's what I'm expecting.
Okay. Qala phi senjani structure after senibhalile ndithini? Yes, ma'am.
Nice and expectations namhlanje ngoba mhlawumbe how do you edit your own way, because before you go to omnye you need to edit now and sometimes I would find that I'm doing a repetitive writing. I'm writing the same thing in many lines. So how do I stop that? So I think the drafting part is important. Sometimes maybe the pictures will inspire you, but okay, maybe you want to go digitally storytelling by pictures. Maybe that is going to inspire you into writing more.
Okay.
Thank you.
Fair. Thank you so much. Kanba shayela izandla. Sidila kanjani ne-fear? It's the main thing. Okay. Sengicela ukuzwa kwabakade behleli phansi. Everybody is going to say something. Everybody is welcome to say something. Nani lapho. Because into ithi nizela ukuzosebenza, but today kumele nihambile nolwazi. And njoba nila niyabona ingxenye enkulu yababhali. Because kudingeke nini ukuze yabo khona lento ekufanele ibona icace. Angithi yabo asisho ukuthi enema ngabe sabantu besifazane asinabo bhuti, asinabo abayeni bethu, asinamadodana ethu. The only thing ehlukile with KZN Women Authors or Eastern Cape Women Authors Forum sengitshela kulaba abangabesilisa ukuthi women are on the driver's seat. We're not leaving anybody outside, but the driver yabona kusungayikhethela okunye ne asibashingo lwazi, because we have sons that we need to teach, we have brothers that we need to teach, we have ama-husbands abanawo, yabona. So ingxaki nje ukuthi asingabambi i-steering. Yavakala. Yeah. So ungadecide okunye ukuthi thatha i-back seat noma i-front noma ubusicapha noma uyaliwasha ibhasi noma wenza kodwa kusalayo udriver ehlezi kumuntu wesifazane. This is the Women Authors Forum. We are encouraging you. Not that we're leaving men behind. It's because abantu besifazane bathe cwaka ngezinto ekufanele ngabe senza ama-awareness ngazo. Yabona amadoda kuningi kwabo masubheke nje kuningi kwabo. Kuningi, honestly, if you can gauge and be involved and do your own research. Bantu besilisa okwabo kuningi when it comes to publishing, especially the other races. Ileka like it is female black. Everyone? So yeah. So what are your expectations? Tandani?
Like I like to do art.
Art. Loboni art. Thetha because ngisi thetha the way ungathetha nomama noma yipi art you love. You like me when ufana nami. I'm a creative, mina anything ngivele nje ngithi mangibona isithombe ngithi man kube nedaba ulivuka isithombe nengasazi isidwethu obani sabona na unjani mphilile nama khonto. Okay, uthandani mama bani kama?
My name is Olivia. I like to sing.
Sing. All right. Sesini artist. Onel, ngicela usizombiza useyangena kwi program. She's going to sing for us. For you like reading what? Incwadi. All right.
My name is Chris Gazilala and I like to read short stories and novels.
All right. Ngizaba ngitshethe nifunde maphi njani niyalike. Yikuphi senikufunde kuphi nibhizi ngakho? Thanda ufunde yafunda. Koncwadi efundayo kwangoku? Ithini?
The Secret of Knowledge.
All right, you know what engifisa ukuthi yenzeke la? Ozanla, come next to me quickly. Ozan. All right. Iyiphi incwadi enifunda esikoleni manje? Enzokusho 1 icover yayo ibhalwe ubani, and then ngoline owodwa ixoxa nganto ithini and wena yini oyifundile kuleyo ncwadi. Any book, is it from school or any other book nje uyitholile? Ngizwakalile ngithi umbuzo wami?
Yes. Yeah, never.
Ngivile? Okay.
This book is written by Michael Robson.
Sicela usitshele icover, usininge nje isithombe sathi inantoni kwicover, and then ibhalwe ubani, ikhuluma ngani, ungayixoxa story sonke but nje just ukusininge ixoxa ngani, and then wena ufundeni kuyona. Ufunde ntoni kuyo?
Cover page was a girl who needs a bucket full of water. It's written by Michael Robson. In the story, I learned that you should don't be afraid of saying no to bullying. When you're bullied at school or outside the gate, tell a teacher or your mom. The story talks about a girl called Avumile. Avumile is very shy, and she was being bullied by a boy in the story. She didn't know who to tell. Every day when she goes to school, a boy jumps off bushes and says, "Where's my lunch?" Avumile's friends saw that Avumile doesn't carry a lunchbox at school. Then they asked Avumile, "Why are you not carrying a lunchbox at school?" Avumile said, "I do." Then Avumile told the boys that what happened earlier. The boys said, "No, you have to stand up for yourself and say no to the bully." The following day, Avumile said no to the bully, and the bully ran away frightened.
Ngifunde incwadi isiXhosa ngomdiyo. Incwadi inamabali amaninzi. Khona amabali amafutshane.
Cover first and the author.
Incwadi ibhalwe isiXhosa ngomdiyo. Ibhalwe ngu-N Bogoloshe. Istori ngumama ongakwazi ukuzama. Lo mama ungomnye ebafazini abaninzi. Wayephathwa kakubi elalini yakhe kuba yena engakwazi ukuzala kwaye abantu bemcalucalula. Kodwa indlela awaziphatha ngayo wakwazi uba ahlale azimisele kwaye wade wakwazi uba afumane umntwana. Wakwazi ukuba amelane nayo yonke into eyayithethwa kakubi ngayo. Izinto ezinyani nezingeyonyani wayengenandaba nazo kodwa wahlala ezithembile. Ngoko ke ndafunda ukuba kumele uhlele uzithembile kwaye ungamameli izinto ezithethwa kakubi ngawo. Inkosi.
I am Ndlalaphezi Gazi, and a book I've been currently reading is Professor Philander's Diamond. The book cover shows a bright big diamond made by Professor Philanders by putting a piece of coal in a machine he invented, which made the diamond from immense pressure. One of the authors is J. Jackson. In this book, we learn about Benedict, but also known as Ben. Ben grew up in a very, very poor, violent township. Ben discovers a lot on his journey. For instance, he discovers to read. He learned to read by Ray, Professor Philander's daughter. Ben had never gone to school. His mother died when he was very young and was forced to be raised by his uncle. His uncle Innocence was a very ignorant, neglected man. He never cared about Ben. Ben discovers a world full of love when meeting Professor Philander and his daughter Ray. In this book, I'm currently learning that from wherever background you come from, you can choose good. You can become something. Thank you.
Italiano is the secret of Naledi Hill. I-author yala ncwadi nguDudu Busani Dube. La ncwadi iveze inkwenkwe nentombazane. There were two friends known as Lutho and Amahle. Lutho and Amahle were living in a small village surrounded by rolling green hills. They were used to meet under the big marula tree to share stories and dreams about adventures. One day, while they were walking near the old village market, Amahle spotted something shining on the ground. She picked it up. They saw a small rusty key, and it was heavier than she expected. They suggested to ask Gogonoma. Gogonoma was the oldest woman in their village, and she was there in the past. She told them that it belongs to Naledi Hill, and it has been lost for many years. She told them that their village was small, struggling, the land was dry, and it has been lost for many years. By other day, they decided to go to the secret of Naledi Hill to find the secret. Along the way, they saw a symbol. They decided to follow the symbols. They saw a seed in Downton. They decided to take those seeds in their village. By other day, people were celebrating. The women were carrying baskets of vegetables. The character that I have learned, I love in this story. I love Gogonoma because she shares information to Lutho and Amahle. In other words, I don't like her because she didn't share information to elders before Lutho and Amahle, I think. Esikolweni sifunda incwadi yesiXhosa ebhalwe Mqondilili uNkathazo. Umbhali wayo uThabane Jimadoko. uJongumzi esikolweni, uJongumzi waye walila esikolweni, waye wagoduka. uZikhali waye wathi akanamntwana yena azobethwa. uJongumzi yena wayehlupha elikokwabo.
All right. Siyabonga ngicela bashenza kakhulu. La ngibona ifiye. Hayi ngoba engazi. We are addressing the fear. Ebenikhuluma ngayo. Iqala bese bangaka. Ungasabi lutho ntombi yami yeso. If into uyayazi uyayazi. How? Show some love. Hey bo, abantu baqina nje baqina. Hey bo. Tell me. I know I hug. Ndikumama kaloku. Ne. Ngiyahaka mina abantwana. Part of the workshop sifundeni la. Nje ezabantu abadala bexoxa labantwana, what did you observe?
I've noticed them that they read with understanding.
Sharp.
They're so bold. Bane-confidence, although kukhona nakubani nakumuntu mdala. But baziface fear zabo ezangaphambili, and whatever they were saying, they understood it very well, which means bathetha ngento abayenzayo apho basuka khona. So i-confidence yabo, it's on another level.
Ivuse nani?
Yes, thank you.
Enkosi kakhulu, ndibone uthando lwalento bebeyifunda nalento bafuna ukuba yiyo. Mna ndibone i-skills sabo singathi siso esikuso apha. Nangaphezulu koko ingathi sinazo nee-poetries apha. Ngoba uyamva umntana ulwimi olu ukuba ukuthetha okwakhe uthetha ungathi uyimbongi. Ukuthi ngokuya befunda uzoya ehluzeka kwalapha ebhala incwadi efunda esenza ipoems. Thank you.
Khona omunye observile wants to say something, Mike, I move.
Ndibone indlela yokwenza imali abantwana excuse me, by telling this, I'm interested. We started the settle of you, so I can actually go and buy that book. So I noticed that they can review books and get paid for it.
Exactly.
Thank you. Ndibona into yobana they are very good in doing book review, and bayakwazi ukulandelanisa izigigaba, bayakwazi ukulandelanisa abaqala ukugqibela bayakwazi bayalandelanisa okwesibili babhalisa with comprehension benalanto yochibiliko. Thank you.
Yintoni uchibiliko?
Fluent.
Ucwangciswano.
Udlula kolwimi. Ngoba kakhulu ke waxandiva umntwana. Kukhona nathi xa ubukele le-TV. Kubekho ibhali ezanto zeritofela zinobuhlungu. Uve sowulila. Abantwana bathi xa begqiba ibali ngoku. Into ndifunde kweli bali ukuba kukho into abayikhayo ukuba ndifunde ukuba xa iyakwazi uba abe nento ayifumana incwadi. Wayifuna laa nto mhlawumbi nathi njengomasibadala sizifumananga nakudala abantwana bayinathi bafumene ngayo ukuthi xa ufunda incwadi yazi uba iyakutshintsha kwawena uba ufumana apho ubhulishwayo ingakwenza xa ubalisela abantu ayilunganga into ebhulingi kuba nayifumana kwincwadi ethile. Ndiyayithanda le nto ndlovukazi into nayo.
That I picked up from
Mike, please.
3 of them, that it code switching, like from moving from one language to another. It comes in as much as Basman said, but don't be afraid to just cause. But it's so smooth that you get to be more interested in and understanding more about NSCP editions when it comes to language in particular. So I enjoyed the reviewer because in the even the person or the trainer has got a better understanding of you read with the intentions. So I enjoyed it, and yes, it just not about my pin, put it so it's enjoyable, and as much as by the person who invited me knows by the time of food and all that, but this is starting to be more
makes sense.
It makes sense.
Thank you.
I target to now we're starting to have a certain target to say, even if we go back to work, because it's we need to say it a lot. Like when you read, have an intention, read for a certain intention. Am I enjoying this book? Am I reading this book for knowledge? So then I'll take a look.
Was anyone? Oh, okay.
Into engileyo apha kulamakhasi ame apha phambi kwethu ukubana bayathanda ukufunda into.
Oh, you can sit, my love. Hey sengathi sinimise court sorry.
Into engiyibonayo ba abantwana bangoku abasafani nabantwana baqala because ba-exposed kakhulu phone media and so forth. So incwadi abasazithanda abasanamsebenzi nabo. So into engiyifundileyo apha kula maqobokazana isathi basenomdla wokufunda and bafunda with understanding. And ekufundeni kwabo they can also take that knowledge to abanye abantwana enze bana bakwazi ukubana bakuthanda ukufunda.
All right.
Ndiya-enjoya nam ndiyazipikela apha. Ndingazi uba mhlawumbi what to expect, but I can see ubana is fruitful into ekhona la yenziwayo. Ndibona njengoba ndibamamele, nobody has trained those kids as I see. Bathetha inhliziyo yabo. And ifana nokuthi ndiyayihleka xa kuthiwa thetha isiXhosa. If lo mntwana ufunde incwadi English, she can interpret it with Xhosa. It's like you're reading an English Bible and a Xhosa Bible. So share. You can't share with you use English most of the time if you are using an English Bible. But you are ufunda isiXhosa, fluent with Xhosa. So then abona ukuthi okay, as befunda, if ufunda isiXhosa, that means I language yakhe izoba strengthened with that particular language. If ufunda English book, that means English yakhe izoboosteka. Ndifunda lonto.
Okay.
Ukuthi if lezi ingane angiziboni zaziwa zidumile ezweni inina eliyobe libulale le future. In my mind, ngoku-assume akukho right.
Bathatha ama-emotions wakho bawa-revoke. Ngihlale lapha because I thought ukuthi no man khona laba phoka khona babhale phansi. Kanti kusuka kubona, and they were not prepared. Nobody told them ukuthi xa befika apha bazofike babuze imibuzo. We were never ready to see such quality, and we were not aware nanokuthi kunabantwana besikole to show ukuthi ukubona angazi.
It's taken away.
Angazi. Kunomntwana oyedwa othe ufunde incwadi ngogogo. Ugogo ukhona ugogo la. Ugogo noma. Ukhona yini ugogo lo ufundwe lengane la noma asizukuba naye. Zikhona yini izingane zabo ezizofunda ngogogo noma abayinina noma nizofa ne-information ningayicapturishanga. Lezi ingane zisitshela something ukuthi they need more. Nathi sidinga ukuya ngogogo noma siyoyiqoqa information sibhale ukuze bafunde. Asihambe siyofuna ugogo noma kuningi sisazokhuluma
ukhona pha. The information, whatever information oyifunayo uyicelile wena ungena egroupini bese ngicela information. Suggestions from what? From doing what? Angangitshela le ngicela nje nsuku uzuthola lo information uqale wenzani wena egroupini.
Ndakhani ndincedeni ndifuya ihagu. Ifumaneka phi amayeza wami.
Okay, wena uqala ngokuthi ukhulume egroupini. Uqala ukuthi ukhulume. Ungena nje egroupini noma usakhuluma. Sorry? Uthi ungena nje egroupini asintroduce. Thank you.
We read and
cut. Wenze njani? You read. Into yokuqala wenza wenze njani? What are you reading? Siqala ngayini? Siqala ngani? Siqala before information, before uzibone bengakabhalili besakufaka nje. What are you reading first? Awuyijongi yenze njani? Hayi phindani yenze njani? Intoni? Bese ithini into kuwe?
Oh, okay.
Right? You decide. Niyandiva? Sikhuluma ngokubhala. Siqala. You read. You don't know how to read or to write, you read. Ibhalwe ntoni? Ibhaliwe. Ibhaliwe. Kunani la? Yini le? Kukha? It's okay. Nancane. Thetha. Fear. Ngumuntu lo. Ithini into xa ubona umuntu eshalofini? Kuthini kuwe? Nathi uyayifika phela eshalofini esitolo.
Uba nomdla uba ufunde phakathi ba yintoni limenze abenje.
Are you talking in general because noma ukhuluma into esuka kuwe ngaphela? Ukuthi wena uba nomdla. Uthi ubani lona? Ubani wakabandleleke lo? Ku-create again kuwe i-interest. Nice? Ku-create again Amen. That's why bengibuza abantwana because that's the first thing ofanele notice. Indaba ikuphi?
What caught your eye?
Exactly. Sisafunda ngithi. Then usuyayivula. Usubona ini? Usubona ini? Wenze njani wadlula?
No, uyafunda.
Uyafunda. Interest yaqhubeka oyibo.
There's another picture for you.
Yabona?
Yes.
Bese kuba nani la? Ubani uthe i-author le? Yini le? Igama lo muntu. Otheni. Why enakubhalwe leli gama? Why? Kusho ukuthi kahle kahle kusho ukuthini? Siyacinga, right? That's what you do. Waza mama umncane. Let's do this practical. Sikhathi ukuthi uncwadi engafundeki. It's okay. Nangu mama omncane. Siqalaphi?
Mamo Street is a Christian. Mamo Street.
Yeah, sekubeka.
Ufafolude olumadolo.
Okay, azokuthi intoni la thetha ngayo ngizayifunda ndiyifunda. Angini mase khona into ongayi-understand wenze njani? Uyayifunda wenze njani? Uyayifuna. There are dictionaries for that. Ngifuna niconcentrate la ngoba nani nababhali bakusasa. Ngikubonile ukuthi ubachazelile ukuthi kwenzekeni kuwena la. Ngizocela ungichazele nami masu right. Ngibonile uchazile. Serious ukuthi what happened ela. So you need to share. Right? Sikhubeni sibhale umama usho njalo.
Yes.
Wathi uyiChristian or iChristian.
The woman can smile.
Sorry?
The woman can smile.
Judging by the way.
Can smile.
Can smile. Uyamazi?
No.
First time?
It's my first time.
Sure. Abamaziyo bangayisho into abayaziyo ngayo abayithulele. Awaziwa apha. Unamahloni. Yeah. Siqhubeke sibhale siyabhala.
I see a Kenagoma.
She's carrying.
Uyathetha.
Ukuthetha kanjani? Ukuthetha? Uyathetha? Like ukuthetha as in your language?
No.
Uyashout? Okay. Yeah. Strict. Ngathi we are writing a book. Strict.
Yes.
Right? Tetan.
It doesn't look like
Uchatile.
Yes.
Sure. Again, umavumiso. Yeah. Cassette nangu mama. Na picture. Spali story. Athini? Okay. Ngicela sithethe, ngicela ukuzwa ivoice yakho. Usumqedile nje wena, usukwamchaza wonke.
Uyawuhlonipha umzi wakhe ngoba kwantu kuthiwa umfazi kufuneke athwale inkulu ashuqe.
Okay, sinaso sisifundo yashuqula. Okay? Mfowethu.
The woman is afraid of cold.
Of cold. She's afraid of cold. Tata mnewethu.
I'm still analyzing.
Hey, lokho usuqalile you still khona usuqalile. Indaba inokuqala. Senze njani uqala?
Unamazinyo aluthotho.
Okay, ngicela sinike nangu
hayi ngubhali. I'm trying to connect zonke izinto sezithethiwe.
Thethe yakho. You are writing your own story.
My own story. Ungumama oyimelayo into. Ongeka give up kalula.
Okay. Do you want to say something, Mama? Unjani, Mama? Spala incwadi. Whatever that is in your head and mind, say. Izame lento. Ningayekela umuntu oyedwa athethe njalo. Please say something nawe ngokwakho. Mema akhange ngikuve uthetha.
Uzawuqola ehloko uma ushadile, umama ubukeka o-street, one-caring, mama ukwazi futhi bazumuzi wakhe. Yes.
Okay, before, okay.
I think umama kenzi noba ntoni uyayazi into efanele indibukalo sithi angathanda fithi like uyayazi akazi noba ntoni uyayazi into efanele uba makayenze.
Okay. Engakazichazi yena. Na iqala lapho. Ngizwa yini? When you are writing a story, create a character. Ubani lo ufuna ukuthetha ngaye? Ufuna ukuthini ngaye? Ufuna sifundeni nami sesifunda ngaye. Ngithi ngishilo konke. Na describe the character. Angakafiki ekumchazeni. So kusho ukuthi when uyakobhala uqala la ekutheni ubani lo ofuna ukukhuluma ngaye. Uyabona? Yini indaba uzukhethe yena? Sithini story? Ufuna sifundeni, what do you want us to learn from lento okhuluma ngayo? Neyizwa le ndaba? Seniqedile, kusho seniyazi ukuthi kwicover uzofaka bani? Incwadi. Right?
Yeah.
Mina ngimbize la umama babe ngisho nje ukuthi khona osho into efana neyami ukuthi ngathi lo muntu ofunda kakhulu iBhayibheli. Ngathi umKristu. Yabo ngathi nje umuntu futhi ulaka angazama ukulifihla kodwa uyangqengqemuka mase ngqengqemuka.
Hayibo, ya prophet.
Yayizwa lonto. So nonke ngishila ngithi kodwa angithi into yangalendlela wena oyibuka ngayo. And yileyo yiqiniso. Even if asiyanga ngofunda incwadi yomunye but siqala ngokobserve the surroundings. Bese uyayiva into uthi ayihlangani lento. I think people should know ukuthi khona ama families kanje. That would be the push to write. Njengasefika la nto ukuthi abantu fanele babe aware, make them aware. Awuzulinda muntu. Make them ubenza njani ke aware. Ngoba wena kade ngisikhuluma ngokuthini read. So if you read books, different genres, uzothola abantu babhala kanjani befuna ukubhala lento ofuna ukuyibhala. Iqale kufunde nje, be interested ekufunde nje. Even ku Facebook uyafunda, angithi ama caption. Nayi noma Instagram noma yini, uyafunda i-caption. Iba nayo lento uthi ayi kodwa akasayibeka kangaki. Ngendlela yazi bizoba ngcono that's editing. That's peer editing. Yayizela washa igama no ngesixhosa kuchiwo kanje. Then wenza ama notes akho nawe. Nayizonto ngisho kodwa iyangena kahle this time.
Yes.
Confirm okuyikona nokungekho kade sikusho.
Ungabikho into ezizulisayo manje yamandela xa ngisekhaya lezi zinto xa ungekho into endiyenzayo ngiyazithatha ibhayibhile lami into yandiprofetha. Ndingumama othandayo abantwana njengoba sinabo abantu abatsha bathi kweli lizwe likhohlakeleyo lingabafumani libahlakaze iye ihluphe nento yabantwana bangafumani imisebenzi. Ndithi xa sithandaza ecaweni noba siqhubeleka nokuthandaza kodwa awabhatha umntwana opase grade 12 oye ecollege afika ahlale kowabo zibuye itshomi zakhe bezingafundi zithi sihleli nawe ngoku ubukade ubomadebe ukuba mbunti. So yenye yezinto eyihlupheleyo abantwana abaye banyamezela isikolo yinto enzima. Xa enyamezela umntwana nasike kuThixo asincede bavulela amathuba. Ndiye ndingamandelwa ke zomane ndithetha isipondo ke awuzundiba xa ndingamandelwa.
Ndiyakuva.
Ndiye ndingamandelwa ke zezo zinto ngabantu abatsha. Ndimandelwe ke ngoku ndibona abantu bamise apha abantu abasha yeyi liyaqhakaza ngokukamva lethu. Enkosi.